More than ever before, government will open up communication links with the people. Through outreach programs, government plans to consult and work closely with the grassroots on various development efforts. Recently, an outreach team organized by the Ministry of Information, National Archives and Library Services held Talanoa sessions with villagers on Ovalau Island. Issues ranging from telecommunications reach, infrastructure and the prices of goods were discussed.
Unlike previous years when a top-down approach to development was in place, government is now reaching out more to the people to implement the bottom-up approach. Bottom-up means more consultations with the people on the various developments that are occurring in the nation. The communication links will be kept open through Talanoa sessions. On Ovalau Island, the government outreach team held such sessions at Vuma, Natokalau, Lovoni and Rukuruku villages. In such sessions, people come up with their issues and government officers are on standby to answer them as best as they can. Ministry officials used the opportunity to also explain the roles of the ministry. Issues from the outreach program are addressed with various parties on Viti level. The outreach program lasted for a week and will also be carried out in Vanua Levu and Lau later this year.
And finally this evening, Rewa is the new champion of the Vodafone FijiFAC soccer tournament after they defeated Lambasa by 1-0 at Lautoka's Churchill Park this afternoon. The Delta Tigers picked the Mbambasing Alliance in a pulsating final in front of a jam-packed crowd. Rewa walked away winners and a handsome purse prize of $15,000. We bring you some highlights of the semi-final clashes this morning.
Lambasa progressed into the grand final of the 2011 FijiFAC after defeating host Lautoka 1-0 in a thrilling second semi-final at Churchill Park this morning. The Mbambasing Alliance scored their lone goal in the 23rd minute through Mathiu Ndunandamo. Despite playing the last quarter of the match with only 10 players after the sending off of Samuela Kautonga, the Viliamiwanga coach side held on well with goalkeeper Aquila Mataisuva, proving to be the man of the match, making save after save. Meanwhile, Rewa has marched into the grand final of the 2011 FijiFAC after beating a spirited Nyendi outfit 1-0 in the first semi-final this morning. Veteran striker Ratu Vresatoma was the star of the Delta Tigers as his header in the 20th minute pushed the Marika Rondo coach side into the final.
And that's it from the news team. You can email us your comments at fijifocustv@info.gov.fj. Until tomorrow, thank you for joining us. Good night.